Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Rio Aguiler that is being built in Trelawney. We're actually driving through Cooper's Pen now, heading towards the hotel. Now this is going to be the 7th hotel Rio has in Jamaica, and it's supposed to open in a few weeks. They've actually started to take reservations already, and the hotel should open, should open in May of this year, which is April, 3 weeks from now. So this is the hotel, 754 room Rio Aguiler. Now this hotel went up in record time. I've never seen a development go up as fast as this one in Jamaica. And not only, one of the reasons why it went up so fast is because it had such a large workforce. I've never seen so many workers on one site in Jamaica. But job well done, looks like. Looks like it's going to open. I think it might open. The construction is definitely finished. I don't know what's going on with the furnishing of the rooms, but definitely looks like it's going to open on time. The good thing is Rio has other hotels in Jamaica, 6 more. So if anything goes wrong and they can't open, they can always move the guests to other hotels. But they have a good track record of opening on time. But the physical construction to the buildings are finished. And this building you're looking at is 12 floors. The tallest structure here, 12 floors. Now when you look at this hotel, it looks like it has well over 1,000 rooms. It's a massive building. And this area, Trelawney, is actually the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. But this hotel is 754 rooms. One of the larger hotels they have in Jamaica, but not the largest. Rio Aquarelle is 900 rooms. You definitely have to admire all the developments that are going on in Jamaica. Oh, this looks like the actual work site. I don't think we're supposed to be in here. This is the main entrance to the hotel we're coming up to now. Not sure what's going to happen to all these structures on the right when the hotel opens. This is a look at the amount of workers out here. And this is just the entrance. Now these structures, I'm not sure what's going to happen to them when the hotel opens. So that's the main entrance we just passed to the hotel. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Do you think they'll be ready for the May 2024 opening? And they are actually taking bookings. Quite a few people have left messages stating that they've booked to stay at the hotel this year. So this is actually Royalton now. The white building is Rio and the grey looking building is Royalton, which is another hotel in Jamaica. And there's actually a third hotel along this stretch. So this is definitely becoming a tourist area. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.